Hi, it's Amy with Mama Bear Blue, and today I'm using two of DIY Paint's liquid patinas. One is called Dark and Decrepit, and the other is called Old and Gray. They can be used as top coats or as stains. Let's get started. I decided to use the Dark and Decrepit on an unfinished pine record album holder that we ordered from Amazon. Dark and Decrepit is a dark stain that can be applied with a brush or a soft lint-free rag. I'm using the Paint Pixie Little D brush to apply it. After I brush it on, I wipe it off with a soft rag. I like to work in small sections, being sure to catch any drip marks. This will dry fairly quickly, especially if you're applying it outside in the sunshine as I was. Here I switched to applying it with a rag to help reach the spots that the brush couldn't get. DIY Paint's Dark and Decrepit Liquid Patina can be used as a stain or as a top coat sealer. I have used it as a sealer over paint to give an aged look. Because it is a sealer, you don't necessarily have to use a top coat on your piece. I don't intend to put a sealer on this one. Next, I'm using DIY Paint's Old and Gray Liquid Patina. It's a barnwood patina with a blue-gray undertone. When applied to bare wood, it can give the look of old barnwood. I'm applying it to an Iron Orchid Designs wood art panel. This wood is pine as well, and I'm applying it just as I did the Dark and Decrepit. You can apply as many coats as needed to achieve your desired look. Just be sure to let it dry thoroughly between coats. So I thought I would take this barnwood board one step further and use the Iron Orchid Designs stamp called Barnwood. This is a neat stamp that gives the effect of barnwood planks. When I was finished, I gave it a light sanding just to soften up the ink lines. Eventually, this board went on to become this sign with the addition of the Woodlands transfer and the swoosh Iron Orchid Design stamp. Be sure to like and follow the Mama Bear Blue Facebook page. We go live every Monday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time with my mom, called Mondays with Mom. We also go live once a month on Saturdays with my sisters, completing various fun DIY and craft projects. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIYs. And golly.